going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just woke up and apparently we're about to deal with Tropical Storm Fred. I thought it wasn't supposed to. It's Tuesday. It's supposed to end Wednesday around 8 a.m. Anything that's fixing to rain, and it's alright. Now I get thunder coming, so I'm gonna go ahead and feed my dog while I still can, and then I'm gonna try and film the storm. So, looks like the hurricane started. It's not doing anything here yet, but it'll probably be coming towards me soon. Right now, it's impacting Greensboro. As you can see, it's kind of dark. Grab a Cedric. Just fed my dog. I'm kind of worried about her. This rain is stopping me from putting shavings in her cage. But yeah, I have a bit of an update. I've been doing pretty good, life in the bachelor pad. I actually have gone to Target yesterday and I got some new stuff. And I might start doing HelloFresh and one other thing I can't remember. It's one where they give you homemade smoothies. But yeah, I'll let you guys know. So right now, nothing's happened with the weather or anything except it's getting kind of windy. If you guys look right there, so it stopped, but it's sort of moving. Hope you guys can see. It's going through what they call tropical storm depression, which I don't know if that means it's. See behind my camera, I don't know if that means that something's going on and it needs to, and it's like starting, or maybe it's like sort of like similar to the eye when it goes in the eye of the storm. I don't know, but I'm about to find out soon. So now it's actually getting kind of bright. It's getting kind of weird. Sorry you can't see very well. It's the sunlight. It's pretty weird. So now maybe I can wash my dog's shavings out. It feels so weird. Get my phone and check the hurricane. Checking in, watching 911. And starting in 28 minutes. This is Hurricane Fred. Up, incoming. It's a coming. It's gonna go crazy. Alright, guys. So it looks like we're about to be hit by the hurricane. It's gonna hit around 3 p.m. Gonna take my phone out and show you. Hurricane Fred incoming. Let's see, that's when it's gonna hit. And then you have the wind gusts here. It's pretty. Looks like it's gonna be pretty insane. And I'm excited for it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my dog's igloo out so I can do the so she'll have fresh shavings. And then I'm gonna also clean my house up a bit. I've been using this stuff called the pink stuff, and it's really good. And then once the hurricane hits, I'll go ahead and start filming. Okay, guys, so the hurricane is almost here. It's already starting to rain. Hopefully no rain gets in my window right there. I had to fix the garbage bags. We still haven't fixed it. pretty nasty. It's already been a few severe weather alerts. If you look at the wind right there, it's getting insane. Anyway, still got like a few minutes or so before it comes. I'm just in here cleaning my bathroom. Once I'm done with that, I'll see if I can film the hurricane. Alright, so just started. So the rain's calmed down a bit. It started raining real hard. I would have filmed it for you guys, but I just had to finish my cleaning. That's a bit more important than storm. You gotta have a clean bathroom. So I'm gonna. Guys, look here. It's starting to rain pretty hard. It's actually starting to flood. And I'm actually kind of concerned for my dog. Hopefully my roommate doesn't get caught in this flood. It's pretty crazy. Right here. And then it's set my lids open, so most likely my trash can now has water now. Right now, I'm pretty calm. I'm gonna see what else it does. Yeah. Alright, y'all, it's 1 minute. Wait a minute. Yep, I am recording. Sorry. 1 minute until the hurricane is supposed to hit. And it's coming. I'm gonna go outside. Check it out. Starting in 4 minutes. So, started. So far, nothing is happening. I might turn on the news real quick. I'm not gonna fully go outside because I don't want to. Starting to rain. It's coming. It's coming. I'm gonna go turn the TV on. Close the door in case somebody comes. By the way, this is what I use to clean my bathroom with. It's by Star Drops. It's called the pink stuff. They have a multi-purpose cleaner, bathroom cleaner. Then they have this paste, which works really good. You can clean this on stoves, bathtubs, sinks, anything. It's pretty cool. So yeah, go ahead and turn the TV on. Well, it's already on. The thing about this TV is, you gotta fiddle with it. So, come on now. Open Fox 8 weather on YouTube TV. So here we go. Made me a smoothie. I honestly wasn't gonna film today, but when I found out the hurricane was coming, I figured I might as well. This is not what I wanted. Tune in to Fox. Okay, if you would excuse me for a minute because my TV is being stubborn. Here we go. Tornado warning for the counties of Rockingham and Stokes. Okay, not us. I'm gonna um, watch the storm. They're not really showing the weather. It was just breaking news, but might see if I can find the weather somewhere else. What's up? Yo. Technically, I mean, it's still here though. I think right now it's in Winston. It's going. He's nanny. I need no one. We don't have stuff in here. Meow. I heat it up like thanks, Dad. Well, unfortunately, nothing. I can't really help you. It'll be big now, you know why? Oh, concentrate. Here's the hurricane. Alright, so I just missed the weather again. I'm sorry, my TV's being a butt. It just started getting windy a few minutes ago, and now it stopped. I'm gonna go see if it's windy on the other side. I'm recording, right? Okay, good. Stopped getting windy. It was getting windy just a second. Right now it's nothing. It's quiet. Oh, it's getting a little windy right there. Come on now, let's see. Ew, it was just getting windy and now it stopped. What the heck? This is so weird. So, right now it's rain. It's starting to rain. Open the go there so you can see. Right now, that's all it's doing. It's getting windy. I'm gonna check my phone. They're not really showing anything on the weather yet. They were just a few seconds ago, and then they stopped. Still just tropical depression. What's wrong, Fred? Why are you depressed? So I'm gonna go to AccuWeather. And I'm also gonna see rain for at least 60 minutes. I think it might be a bit stormy. And then daily radar. This is where we are. I know it says Winston-Salem, but can't find Greensboro on here, otherwise that's why I put it. Oh, it's close enough. It's pretty cool. Let's see if they're showing anything. Or if they're still just showing Judge Judy. So I'm outside right now. I'm about to go get the mail. Oh crap, I actually forgot to return the pink stuff. Pink stuff back to my grandma. But this basically is what's going on right now. So maybe I'd show you guys what it's like. I'm a bit concerned for my rabbit. Hopefully that tree isn't falling in this cage. Yeah. Okay, so it's starting to get windy. I'm gonna show you guys here because this is where it's getting windy, or was. I swear, every time I pull out my camera, y'all, it stops getting windy. It's weird. It's as if the wind doesn't want to be on camera. But there are some tornadoes in some areas. Fortunately, it's just in Virginia. There are some watches in North Carolina, but not where I am. Normally, when we get a hurricane, or a tropical storm, I should say, it's not really that bad here. It's just a few maybe showers, maybe some windy weather, and sometimes severe thunderstorm warnings, but nothing that relates to tornadoes or anything, mostly. We don't really get tornadoes that much around here, and when we do, they're mainly just itty bitty. I mean, even though it is small, you still want to be careful. But it's kind of weird. You can sort of see here where it's getting windy through that window. This is so crazy. Alright, y'all. So, looks like a storm's getting ready to hit. It's currently around 10:02, I think. Or 10:23, I should say. It's 10:30 actually. So I'm about to go and see what the storm is like. Better way to end the day than watch a storm. And then you gotta get up at 6 a.m. and go to work. So keep outside. It's pretty calm. I see Chris went somewhere. I wonder where he went. Well, I thought it was a storm. Maybe not. Walked a little farther, but I don't have my socks on. Hurricane isn't as intense as I expected. I was hoping to be a little nasty, but at the same time, probably, when it does get nasty, then I have to worry about my house. I mean, I like rough storms, but I also care about the safety of others and my friends and family, and where I'm living. So I don't want to, sometimes that stuff can happen, during the storm. It is pretty windy up in the trees, which you can't really see because it's dark. Let me turn my light on and see what that does. It's not really helping. Sorry guys, there's not much I can do. But it's pretty quiet. It's kind of pretty outside of North Carolina. Storm hits, I'll film it for you guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. I'm about to go to bed. I'm sorry the hurricane wasn't as much as we expected, but like I said, I'm sorry. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.